at that gold. This is gold. Oh my god. So cool. Hi, I'm Ollie. I recently picked up a new phone and therefore I'm looking to get rid of my old one. And therefore tomorrow I'm going to be visiting a phone recycle factory to see how I can best recycle my device.
This is our dismantling line.
If a mobile phone is not recycled after dismantling, it's just e-waste. If dismantled and recycled, the reutilization rate of materials can be up to 97%.
You want to have a try?
I would love to have that. Okay, I think I've taken out.
So this is the next step after dismantling the whole unit of the mobile phone. It contains some memory, so which means there are some data within.
Yeah. Okay.
We have to crush it and destroy them. We have to protect their privacy.
That's doing some serious damage.
You can see here that is how we deal with batteries.
Oh,
very easy,
so
right?
Easy.
People probably already think about it when designing the product.
Oh.
This is our battery workshop. All the battery is crushed.
The raw materials used by Huawei are also environmentally friendly.
Now you come the most expensive part.
Okay.
Guess what's this? It's gold powder.
This is gold powder.
Yeah, gold powder.
Why do you have gold powder?
Because there are gold contained within the PCB board.
So you've extracted and recycling the gold that's used on the PCB board. I imagine this is a lot of phones.
30,000. 30,000.
Wow.
To make this.
Okay. So how are we going to make this gold look like gold?
Ah, here it comes.
Look at that gold. I can bite that like a biscuit.
It's like a mirror.
It's like a mirror.
Can I take this home?
No. It's the last stage. You have to protect the environment.
Yeah, for sure, because obviously in this day and age, we're destroying the world at a faster rate than ever.
Yeah.
So to see a factory that's so green and recycling all their mobile phones, which I never knew was done to this scale, it's really something to behold. You see, the Chinese are actually extremely environmentally conscious. However, that does go against what the narrative online suggests. I think seeing is believing, and I've just been in there, I've seen a phone go through a recycling process and a new one has been reborn out of those materials in a very modern way and extremely eco-friendly. I hope you've enjoyed that tour as much as I did. See you next time.